In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private board in Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a new board and lock it down so only you, or the people you choose, can access it. First, head to Miro.com and open your dashboard. This is the main home base where all your boards live. If you're part of multiple teams or workspaces, take a quick look at the top of the page to make sure you're in the right one, since privacy settings apply within the workspace you're using. Once you're on the dashboard, you're ready to create. Next, look for the button to create something new. It's typically in the top area of the dashboard and may read Create New or simply New. Click that, and from the options that appear, choose Board. This opens a brand new canvas where you can start mapping ideas, planning projects, or building diagrams. Think of a Miro board as your infinite whiteboard. Great for brainstorming, documentation, and collaboration. Now that the board exists, let's set its privacy. To do that, return to your dashboard so you can access the board's thumbnail. You can use your browser's back button, click the Miro logo, or navigate to your dashboard link, whatever brings you back to the main page. In the Recent Boards section, you should see the new board you just created, usually at the top of the list. Hover over the board's thumbnail and click the three dots, also called the ellipsis, on that card. This opens a quick menu with options for managing the board. These menus are designed to give you board-level controls without opening the board itself, which makes setting privacy quick and consistent. From that menu, select Make Board Private. This changes the board's access so it's no longer visible to the entire team or workspace by default. Private means only you, and anyone you explicitly invite later, can view or edit the board. Depending on your plan, you may see a lock icon or a label indicating it's private, which is a helpful visual confirmation. If you ever need to collaborate, you can revisit this menu to adjust access later. Privacy is flexible, not permanent. That's it. You went to your Miro dashboard, created a new board, navigated back to recent boards, opened the menu on the new board, and made it private. This quick workflow keeps sensitive work, early drafts, or personal notes secure while still giving you the option to open things up when you're ready. Thanks for watching and enjoy building confidently in Miro.